Hello, this is How To Not To, bringing you another unboxing video, and here I have the Sony PlayStation 3 Super Slim model console with 500GB of storage, which was released in 2012. The original PlayStation 3 was released in 2006 and the Slim model was released in 2009. So I'm just going to get it out the box. This is used and I bought it from Amazon. I did own a Slim model back in 2009, but I got rid of it because I didn't play with it that much back then. However, I did miss it. I've now bought a Super Slim model. And here it is. Okay, I have two controllers, which I didn't expect. The games I usually play are single player. It's always handy to have a second controller lying around. Okay, I have a quick okay. There's some there's a quick guide on how to set up the PlayStation 3, which I will be showing you how to do in this video later on. We have the mini USB PlayStation charging cable. There's the power cord lead, and we also have the AV analog cables for the older styles TVs, but I will be using the HDMI USB cables to connect the PlayStation to my TV. And finally we have the Super Slim PlayStation 3 console, which is a lot lighter and thinner than the original console, and it has a lot more storage of 500 gig. So let me just pop it down here. With the older versions I wouldn't be able to lift it up with one hand. The Super Slim is it's about 25% lighter than the Slim model. The negative thing about the Super Slim model is it no longer has the hard drive to run your PlayStation 2 games, which I was very disappointed about. Okay, another new feature is a manual sliding disc cover. Let's just see that again. You can also open the disc cover by pressing the button at the front of the console. It also has at the front, you can connect the controller cable. The PlayStation 3 has Bluetooth, so you can connect remotely. And on the bottom of the console you have grips and access to the inside should you need to. On the back there are connectors, so here we have a LAN port to connect to the internet, HDMI. I'm not sure what this is used for, I've never had to use it before. You have the AV connector for older style TVs and the power cord. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to connect the cables. So the AV connect cable goes in there, power cord in that slot there, and the HDMI USB cable will go in there. So you have so if you have an older style TV, you will need to use the AV connectors, and this is how to set it up. Red, white and yellow jacks, just slot in there. The yellow jack is for video output and the red and white is for audio output. So let me just grab my controller. Okay, so the controller is wireless and it looks like it's already charged up, ready to go. And this is the mini USB cable wire for the controller to charge the internal battery. You do have to connect this when you first use the PlayStation 3 to pair them up, but after that you can use it wirelessly. This is how to connect the AV connector to the back of the TV, and the USB HDMI goes in that slot there. So I'm just going to plug it in. I've got some games over here and I'm just going to play this one, Tomb Raider Trilogy, which is a collection of 3 second era Tomb Raider games, Legend, Anniversary and Underworld, released in 2011. So let's pop that in there, and that's it. I'm just going to leave you with a bit of gameplay. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and to see more videos click on the notification button to see more unboxing and how-to videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. It's my mission is to find and deliver. What was that? A walk. Shoot! Shoot, shoot. Thanks for watching. This has been Laura Croft. Don't forget to like.